All right, we have created an insert data command. This command is actually inserting this static data set. Now I want to make this command a little bit smarter. I want to check whether the data that I'm trying to insert is already exist in the database. If it exists, then I don't want to insert that same record again. Only if there is any new record, then my command should insert. Otherwise, it should give me the warning or error. Okay, so currently this insert data command is not smarter. If you run insert data command again and again, then it is going to insert this same data set again and again in the database. So that should not happen. So let's put some simple validation to prevent this. Okay, first of all, I'll actually say, based on this roll number, okay, based on this roll number, I want to check whether this roll number exists in the database. Okay, so what I'll do is, first of all, I'll take a name, roll number. Okay, roll number is actually this one, right? Data of roll number. Okay, data of roll number. So first of all, I want to say existing record. Okay, existing record is equal to, first I want to filter this roll number. Okay, I'll say student dot objects dot filter. Okay, so in the filter, I'll say roll number is equal to this roll number. Okay, roll number is equal to roll number, and just run exists method on this. Okay, so this will actually check if this roll number exists in this database table. All right, so this is the query. Student.objects filter roll number is equal to roll number. We just want to check whether this exists or not. If you don't put this exist, what will happen? This query will store the result of this student query set inside this existing record. I don't want the query set. I just want to check whether this exists or not. Okay, true or false. So that is why I'll say exists. Okay, dot exist. It will just say true or false. Okay, now I know that in this existing record variable, I have a true or false boolean value. Okay, at this point, I can actually say if not existing record. Okay, if not existing record, then what I will do, I will simply cut this. Okay, so that means if the record does not exist. Okay, so if this is false, okay, so this roll number does not exist, then it will store false, right? So in that case, if not existing record, then I will add this data of roll number. All right, otherwise in the else case, I will simply say, the else case, I can say, I'll simply copy this and put this here, self dot std out dot write self dot style. You can say error or warning. Yeah, I'll say warning. I'll say, let's format this. If student with a roll number, student with roll number, this roll number. Okay, student with roll number, here already exists. Okay, so this is the warning message, and if these things run successfully, then we can just say data inserted successfully. All right, and next we will give some other data in this data set. I'll copy this and I'll put some new things here. 5, maybe I'll say Joseph, and 25. I'll change this 1006. I'll put Michael. Okay, so Yeah, here, as you know, this data was already inserted in the database. We should get the warning for this 1002. Also, we should get the warning for this 1004 because this one already exists in the database. Okay, so this is how the code is for checking whether the data exists in the database. Let's see if this works or not. Okay. So, all right, Python manage.py insert data. All right, now you can see we got two warnings. Data with roll number 1002 already exists, and data with roll number 1004 already exists, right? So because of course 1002 was already there in the database, and remaining data inserted successfully. Okay, 106 and 105 should be in the database. Let me refresh. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me run this again. Refresh. Okay, so this is 1005 and this is 1006. Okay, so this one was actually 1002. It was already exist, right? So that's why it did not add the same record again and again. Okay, so that's how we add the simple validation to our custom Django command. Okay, so in the next one we will try to insert the data from the CSV. Okay, so this was just a list of dictionary, right? So in real life we never want to store the data in using this list of dictionaries. Of course we will have to use the big data set, or hundreds, thousands and millions of records. So that's the reason we use a CSV format. Okay, so we will see how to insert the data from the CSV to the database. Okay, thank you.